Hello and welcome everyone to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can customize a log a call button in Salesforce Lightning. So in this whole video tutorial, we will discuss the steps using which we can customize our log a call button in Salesforce Lightning version. Now before we jump to the very first topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this channel to provide dedicated solution and tutorials for Salesforce. So if you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get regular updates. Now let's jump to the very first topic and let's understand how we can customize a log a call button in Salesforce Lightning. Now what is this log a call button? Now log a call is a widely used activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. The role of this activity tab is to record the interaction between the users and the customers. However, there could be requirements where we need some more options or fields in the log a call action. So to overcome this thing in Salesforce, we can create a customized log a call action. So let us discuss the steps using which we can customize the log a call action in Salesforce Lightning. So here on the screen you can see I have opened the home setup page. So you can easily open the home setup page by clicking on this gear icon and then clicking on this will open the home page for you. So first of all, let's see where we get this log a call action button. So what I will do, I will click on this app launcher. Under the app launcher I will click on view all, and from this I will open the accounts object. Now here accounts is an inbuilt object that Salesforce Lightning provides by default. So whenever I will open any of the records for this accounts object, under the activity tab you can see there is a action that is call a log, and under call a log there are various fields. For example, subject is there, comment is there, name is there, related to is there, and then there is save button. So by using this call a log we can store some information related to the record. Now what if I want some more fields in this call a log action? Then what I can do? So for this I will again move to my home setup page. Let me close this. From here I will go to object manager. Under object manager I need to find the object for which I want a customized action button. So I want the customized action button for my account object. So I will click on this account. So this will open an object manager page for the account object. Now under this I will click on this button link and action menu option. I will click on this. Now from here I will click on new action. From this option we can create a new action for this particular account object. Now here we need to first select the action type. So for example, I want action type of log a call. Then there is an option to give a standard label. We can skip this. After this I need to provide a label for my action. So I will provide a label as log a account. Then there is description. So for example, I want to provide a description like this action is used to log a account. So by this we can provide a description, and we can also provide a success message. So once you provide all these options, click on this save button, and once we click on this, our new action has been created successfully. Now here are the set of fields. For example, as I have created this action of type log a call, so these are the fields that are there in the log a call, that is subject, comment, name and related to, and I can add some more options to it. For example, I want this status field in my customized action, so I will drag this status field from here and I will put it in the below list. I can also reorder this list. So first is subject, then is status, then is comment, then is name. So I want the related to field is in between, so I will customize this. And once all this process has been completed, click on the save button. So with the help of this, we have created a customized log call type action. Now I need to add this action to my activity tab, and for this what I will do, I will click on this page layout option. Under this again I will go to the account layout. Now from here I will move to this mobile and lightning actions, and under this we can easily find the action that is log account. And if I scroll down, here you can see this option that is Salesforce mobile and lightning experience app. So what I need to do, I need to drag this action from here and I will put this action here under the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action. Once I have done this, I will click on the save button, and with the help of this we have successfully created our customized log a call action, and we have also added that call a log action in the object. So now to access that action tab, what I need to do, I need to open the record for that particular object. So I will go to the setup page. From the setup page, I will click on this app launcher. Again, view all. From here, I will click on this accounts object. Now let's open any record. For example, I am going to open the record for University of Arizona. Now here under the activity tab, you can see this call an account action button, and here you can see all the things are there. The fields that we have specified, first was the subject, then was status, then is related to field, and then is comment, and in the last there is name. So I hope in this way you all understand how we can customize a log a call button in Salesforce Lightning, and we can follow the same steps to customize any of the buttons. Now here one thing we need to note, that I have not customized the log a call action. That is because the log a call action is standard for all, or we can say it is a standard for many of the objects in Salesforce. So I have not touched the original log a call action. Instead of that, I have created a new customized action which is of type log a call, and I'm using that customized log a call action in my Salesforce object. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial where we have understood how we can customize a log a call action in Salesforce Lightning. So if you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel where we bring such tutorials on Salesforce Lightning Classic, and we also try to provide various solutions related to Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.